It's 5:53 in the morning, and this morning we're gonna hike up Bongol Hill. Wow, that's a really nice morning view. We just made it to the base of Bukit Bongol, and now we're gonna get ready to make the hike up. I gotta make sure the drone is working too. We just started and I'm already feeling so tired. It's gonna be a really long hike. Or maybe I'm just really sleepy and not getting enough sleep. It's been about an hour of hiking and we're not in the forest anymore. Took the drone out for a couple rounds and I think we're almost there. It's just at the top, all the way up there. Okay, we made it somehow. Oh my god, the view is breathtaking. I'm not gonna record the hike down because I guess it's gonna be pretty much the same and boring. So enjoy this drone video montage.